In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix Windows Update error 800f083f on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running the troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart the Windows. The next thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. And then simply type SFC space / scan now. Hit Enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And if it is 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window, then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. And if you have installed or using any third-party antivirus softwares or firewall programs, just try to temporarily disable that because that may be a conflict. Then the last thing we can do is to reset the Windows Update component. So type CMD in the Windows search bar again. Click Run as Administrator. Now these commands will be posted in the description section of this video. Control C to copy, Control V and hit Enter. Then type exit, hit Enter. Right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.